to keep a diary, to let it out away from him. Maybe I should have learned your memory, instead I let it ruin him. You see, watching the moon, I feel it's painting, but cold inside, eating my soul, you shattering. I love you, boy. You almost seem so hard to wipe out. Promise that from now on